Alright, so in this video we're going to be multiplying and dividing odd and even numbers. In this first one we have two even numbers we're multiplying, 2 and 4. As you can see, both of them are even, and because they are even, they make even groups, right? So what I did here, because this is multiplication, this means we have two groups of 4. So we have 4 and 4 and we're adding them. We have 2 groups. So we can divide them both into 2 and we combine them. Then our end product is even, correct? Now we move on to even and odd, and it makes it even. So we have 2 groups of 3, as so, right? And we're adding them. So because these both have an odd man out, when we combine them, we're going to get an even number because these two come together to even it out, as so. We can also go the other way around, which would be 3 groups of 2. We do it here. Alright, 1, 2, 3 groups, all even. We combine them, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as you would have guessed. And that is as well even. Alright, simple enough. Where it is. Okay, now we progress to odd and odd. We have 3 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3 groups. This splits here, and we have an odd one out, obviously, because it's odd. These are already even. These are already groups, and so this one comes together with this one to make a group, but we still have an odd one. So the trick here is, because the number of groups is odd, then we have an odd number at the end, which is 15. Similar here, we had even and odd, but because our groups were even, 2, then our answer was even. But because we have an odd number of groups, then we're not going to be able to make it, we're not going to be able to even out the odd numbers at the end. So we have an odd. And that's that for multiplication. Now, remembering the 1 for division is much more simple, because each one of these cannot be certain, because it is division. There's always the possibility of a fraction, which more than half of the time it's going to be a fraction. Say we have 6 and 10, which are both even. We can reduce that and make it 3/5, which is neither an even or odd number, and this is all true for all of them. So division has no certain result, either even or odd. It's uncertain. And that's that. Alright, take care folks. See you next time.